Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about the question, or more specifically we want to answer the question of, can you change the color of the time on the Apple Watch? Well, as you know, there are many different watch faces and the designs you can use for your Apple Watch to display time. And it really heavily depends on which face we are talking about, because they all have different levels or different types of customization. So you can easily figure it out if yours supports it by holding down on the watch face directly on the Apple Watch. Then a little edit button is going to pop up. So tap on this, scroll through the things that you can change, and you should also be able to find the color option, which can change the background color or even the text or the number color. So you can go ahead and do that, right? And you can see what's available. But a better approach, in my opinion, is to use the iPhone and get inside the watch application. So when you get in there, you can move over to your face gallery, and there you can customize it pretty much the same way, but it's much easier to see. It's like on a bigger screen and you can see it much better. So I recommend you to use your iPhone for that. And you can also just customize the color of the numbers. You can also just change the font and do some different styles if it's available. As I say, it depends on the watch face, but many of them do allow you this type of customization. So that would be about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know below if there are any thoughts or things you want to share. But that would be about it. And see you guys later in the next tutorial.